Hello, thinkers. Before we dive into today's topic, do us a favor. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on those post notifications. This way, you won't miss any of our enlightening content. You see, being part of our conscious community means being in the loop, always ready to expand your horizons. And that's exactly what we're all about here at Subconscious Thinkers. Now that you've done that, let's jump straight into today's exciting topic, manifestation techniques. Manifestation, a word that's been making rounds quite a lot these days. But what does it really mean? Let's dive right in. Manifestation at its core is about bringing something tangible into your life through belief and focus. Whether it's a new job, a healthier body, or a loving relationship, manifestation is the process of turning the intangible, your thoughts, desires, and beliefs, into a physical reality. Now, you might be wondering, how does this work? Is there some sort of magic involved? Well, not exactly. The science behind it is rooted in the power of our minds. Quantum physics tells us that our thoughts can influence the world around us. Our brain, an incredible tool, is constantly emitting frequencies. These frequencies, through our thoughts and emotions, interact with the universe and draw in experiences that match our output. So why is manifestation an essential tool for personal development? Because it empowers us to take control of our lives. When we understand that our thoughts and emotions directly impact our reality, we can choose to focus on positive outcomes. We can choose to manifest happiness, prosperity, love, and all the good things life has to offer. In essence, manifestation is the process of turning your thoughts into reality. It's about creating the life you desire. Now, how do we manifest? It's a simple process that anyone can follow. It might seem mystical or even far-fetched to some, but it's a practice that has been used by successful people throughout history. Let's break it down into 3 easy-to-follow steps. Firstly, you need to clarify your intention. This is the foundation of the manifestation process. Ask yourself, what do you really want? What is that one thing that you desire the most? It could be anything: a new job, a healthier body, a loving relationship, or even peace of mind. Be clear, be specific, and let your true desires come to the surface. Write it down, speak it out loud, make it real in your mind. Secondly, you need to visualize your intention. Close your eyes and imagine your desire as if it's already happened. Picture it in your mind's eye. Feel the emotions that come with it: the joy, the pride, the satisfaction. Visualization is a powerful tool that can help you align your thoughts and emotions with your desires. It's like a blueprint for your subconscious mind, guiding it towards the reality you want to create. Lastly, but certainly not least, you need to take action. Manifestation is not about sitting back and waiting for things to happen. It's about taking proactive steps towards your goals. Start with small actions that are aligned with your desires. For example, if you want a new job, start updating your resume or learning a new skill. If you want a healthier body, start by making healthier food choices or incorporating exercise into your daily routine. Every action, no matter how small, brings you closer to your desired reality. Remember, the key to successful manifestation is consistency and belief in the process. It's not a one-time thing. It's a journey. It's about waking up every day and choosing to align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desires. It's about believing, even when things get tough, that you have the power to shape your reality. So, start today. Clarify your intentions, visualize your desires, and take action towards your goals. Your journey towards manifestation starts now. For those who are curious about other tools for manifestation, we've got something special for you. Our blog, an extension of our Subconscious Thinkers community, is a treasure trove of in-depth articles and enlightening insights. Recently, we wrote a comprehensive post on a fantastic tool for manifestation: vision boards. Just as a painter uses a canvas to bring their imagination to life, a vision board is your canvas to paint your desired reality. It's a tangible representation of your aspirations, goals, and dreams. When you visually map out what you wish to manifest, it can really boost the process. It's like sending a direct memo to the universe, saying, "This is what I want." Vision boards are not just about pasting pictures, but about creating a personal and emotional connection with your dreams. It's a powerful technique that can truly transform your manifestation journey. Check out the link in the description below to read more about vision boards on our blog. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We dove deep into the concept of manifestation, unveiling its true essence as a powerful tool to align our thoughts with reality. It's not magic, but a testament to the potency of our mind and its ability to shape our world. We unpacked the simple steps to manifestation: clarity and desire, positive visualization, and unwavering belief. It's a journey that demands consistency and conviction. Remember, it's not just about wanting something, it's about truly believing you can attain it and visualizing it as part of your reality. And let's not forget the shout out to our blog and the enlightening piece on vision boards, a practical representation of your desires and a constant reminder of what you're manifesting. Remember, the power to create the life you desire lies within you. Keep manifesting, thinkers, and we'll see you in our next video.